is Christian Mady with the Fitness Atlantic 2008. I'm here with Stephanie Ward. And when they say that, bikini contests are not rocket science, apparently didn't get the memo. Because what do you do for work?
I'm a nuclear engineer.
Nuclear and defense contractor, the whole thing.
Right.
So, what do you talk about now, right? You look good. This is your first contest, right?
Right.
How are you liking it?
I love it. It is so much fun. Everyone is so nice. It's a great time.
Which is harder, like nuclear physics or the diet for a contest?
Ooh. It's actually all the girly part in between. The hair, the makeup, the tan, that part's the hard part.
Is it uncomfortable? Is it because it's foreign?
Yeah.
I find the girly part pretty difficult. You wouldn't guess. No. So what part? Is it the hair? Is it the makeup? Is it the whole thing? Like, you don't normally go this far into the whole girly part. Is that what you're saying?
Right, yeah.
Do you think you want to sneak over to the bodybuilding where it's less cosmetic eventually? Or
I like right where
You're
I am.
liking it?
Uh-huh.
Is your first experience, was it like...
It was great. I really wasn't nervous until I actually was on stage. I was starting to shake a little bit, and then right after I got off, I found out I was nervous.
Coming off, and this is the thing, is that everyone believes that smart women can't be beautiful women.
Yes.
Did you have a little bit of... Look, I just nailed it, right?
Did I?
Did I just trigger you back to 13-year-old? Like, completely?
I get it almost every day.
But that's the thing. Does that bother you? Like, do you... What is more important? What hurts you more? When people realize you're smart and they don't assume that you can do this, or when people see this and don't assume you're smart?
When people see this and make the assumption that I can't do anything else.
Same happens to me with it. Do people actually approach you that way when they see you?
Yes.
Does it happen today?
No.
Honey, that kind of thing?
Not today, no.
Not today. Well, that's... a lot of other women here, do you find that they're laboring under the same thing, that they're smart, intelligent, vibrant women, but because of the cosmetic?
Yeah, it's unbelievable, the intelligent women that are here.
Is that why the cosmetic stuff is uncomfortable? Because it's a little misrepresentation? Like, accidentally, not like it's a bad one, but...
I think I just don't have enough practice yet.
Oh, okay. Could have fooled me, right? She looks so uncomfortable. Do you think that you want to keep going and going?
Yeah. This is something I definitely want to keep doing.
What are you eating? She's carrying food. Now, I'm going to hold your mic. Do show. What do we got here?
We have some sweet potato,
yeah,
some chicken, and some asparagus. And I'm just grateful that it's not frozen. And I learned that I can eat raw asparagus. Just put a lot of crushed red pepper on it, and it's great.
And a little, what's it called? Give me a... Oh, darn, I blew it. What's the... Plutonium!
Oh. I don't think I would eat that.
I gasped on plutonium. Can you believe it? How many dangerous chemicals can you name right now? Plutonium, give me another one.
Oh, are you talking about radioactive
radioactive.
materials?
I want names, because I saw some stuff that they're putting on their skin, and it's freaking me out.
No, we're good.
You're good.
Yeah. You probably get more radiation going to the beach for the afternoon than you did from
Whole periodic table.
Else.
Do you have it all memorized? Whole periodic table? Memorized, down pat?
Not anymore.
Not. How about hair, makeup, nails, schedule? All memorized?
I'm all over that
She's
right
all
now.
over that. She didn't know where I was going with it. I'm tossing them high because I know you're smart.
Yeah.
But that's the other thing, too. As far as all the laborious dyeing, and did you find that as bad as the hair, nails, and stuff, or was that whatever? You put whatever on.
That was great, actually.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Are you normally this dark? Do you get this dark normally?
No.
Look at that. She's crazy dark. It's wonderful. I'm jealous. I'm Italian. I feel like I'm into it. Yeah. So, as far as what you want to take from the show today, your first show, what was your goal? What are you taking from it?
It was just to get here, have a good time, which I've done.
Well, I'll soon take care of that.
That's it. I really just wanted to get here. I plan on competing in Universe in June. I went and watched Universe last year just to see about this whole competition
thing. We're going to have to watch for you.
Thing.
We're going to watch for you. So
I'll
when
be
they
there.
do nuclear reactor, fitness women article, you're going to be number one.
If they do that, then I don't know how many. I mean, if there are other ones out there, please come find me.
Scientists of the world, come forward. Are there people in the sciences and in the mathematics who you think could do this and just hang back? Or is it you're just a lucky crossover?
It's kind of hard to say. I don't know that many other than men. I work with mostly men.
That's true.
So...
Well, they must be happy. Some happy men in the nuclear plant. Now, do you actually deal with the bombs?
No, it's actually nuclear power.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any bomb you're dealing with is me.
Oh, right.
That was a setup. Thank you, Miss Ward. scientist du jour. I'm Christian Mady with the Fitness Atlantic 2008. Thanks so much.
Thank you.